Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my updated natural hair wash day routine for length retention and growth. And I'm super excited to be showing you guys these new products from SheaMoisture. It's their brand new bond repair collection with Amla oil. I'm super excited about this entire collection. It's made specifically for us curly and coily girls, type 3 and type 4 hair, to help with repairing and rebuilding our hair from damage and for preventing breakage. Now, guys, it has been 10 years since I've had traction alopecia and I had my teeny weeny afro. And now I'm just very intentional about the overall health of my hair and just caring for it and protecting it. So the first thing I like to do in my wash day routine to help me retain length is I like to do a little pre-poo and detangling session. You want to section your hair off into 4 sections, grabbing a spray bottle filled with water, and I'm going to be using the Bond Repair Conditioner. This conditioner adds up to 12 times more moisture back into your hair. It's made specifically to help make damaged hair stronger and prevent less breakage, helps repair damage from styling. If you're constantly dealing with matting on wash day, I definitely recommend you trying this added step. Next up, I'm going to be going in with the Amla oil bond repair shampoo. We're going to get into the 4-step system, which includes shampoo, conditioner, a mask, and a leave-in conditioner. Bond repair shampoo adds 60% more moisture into the hair. I can tell that it is a gentle cleanser, but it does remove all of the buildup without making my hair feel extremely dry. You know that weird feeling you get after shampoos? That is just not my thing. So I was super impressed when I felt how moisturized my hair felt after using this shampoo. And I also noticed it was super smooth and my curls were very defined. While shampooing, I like to keep my hair in plaits to make sure there's no retangling. I like to really focus on the scalp, which is where I usually have a lot of product build up throughout the week if I'm changing up my styles and adding more gel to my hair, more edge control. I need something that's going to completely cleanse all of that away. So this shampoo did great. Even when you're just squeezing the shampoo out, you can tell it's extremely moisturizing and thick, and a little bit goes a long way. Make sure to double cleanse my hair just to make sure I got all of the product built up out. This collection is infused with Amla oil, restorative, Hydroplex Infusion, Amino Blend, and Fair Trade Shea Butter. So if you're looking for products that really provide that moisture factor, especially for type 3 and type 4 hair, these are it. I've been natural for most of my entire life, and I thought that since my hair was natural, it should be stronger and it should be able to withstand all types of things, not knowing that things like heat, protective styles, and color are really damaging to our hair. Even just doing different styles, things that cause a lot of manipulation and pulling and tugging. So I love that we finally have a line for type 3 and type 4 hair that helps rebuild and repair those broken bonds. For the second step, I'm going to be using Amla oil bond repair conditioner. And guys, this conditioner actually feels like a deep conditioner. It is so moisturizing and it's so thick and rich. It provides up to 12 times more moisture, helping to repair damaged hair, making it stronger, and to help with preventing breakage. It feels so nice on my hair. It left my hair buttery soft. One way I know I'm gonna have a good styling day is whenever during the wash day process, my hair already feels extremely soft, it's detangled, and I can see a little bit of definition. These products did just that for me. And I used to be a product junkie, but now I like to stick with what works. And I've been loving SheaMoisture's lines since the beginning times. I've always used the Curl Smoothie. I've loved their mousse and all of their washing and conditioning products, and their deep conditioners are my legit favorite. Every time I go to Target, I'm grabbing a SheaMoisture deep conditioner. This line does not disappoint. It's just as good as the other lines. This one is so moisturizing. I'll definitely be keeping her in the shower for my future wash days. Now I'm going to do the third step of the 4-step system, and that's going to be the bond repair mask. You guys know I love their hair masks. This one provides up to 3 times more moisture, and it helps with making damaged hair 2 times stronger and preventing breakage. This is perfect for anyone who's trying to retain length and grow their hair. That's one thing that I do not skip out on is my deep conditioning routine. I must deep condition my hair weekly. It makes such a difference, and I definitely can see more growth when I keep up with my routine. And one thing that I've learned about being a natural is If you pour into your hair, you give it some tender love and care and treat it very gently, it will flourish and grow for you. So that's what has been working on my hair journey, is just really keeping up with my routine. This Bond Repair Mask is ultra moisturizing. It is a reparative and strengthening mask, and it helps to repair your hair from the damage of styling. One of my personal favorite things to do on wash day is pull out my facial steamer and use it for a little hair steam treatment. The hair steamer just helped my hair really absorb the moisture. My hair feels so soft after a steam treatment, and I feel like my wash and go just turns out so much better. Like the curls are popping, the shine is there, the definition is there. It really helps the mask absorb into my hair. So I love to do this quick little steam treatment, even if it's just for like 5 to 10 minutes. It definitely makes a difference, and it makes me feel like I'm at the spa and having a luxurious moment. Just finding the joy in taking care of my natural hair makes a world of a difference, because we know how tiring wash day can be. The last step in this 4-step system is a Bond Repair leave-in conditioner. It is perfect for refreshing your hair throughout the week when you have a wash and go. I love to just spray my hair with water, add the Bond Repair leave-in conditioner, and add the bonding oil. It is the perfect refresher. Today I'm going to be using it for style prep. It's infused with Amla oil, restorative hydroplex infusion, amino blend, and fair trade shea butter. It is moisturizing, lightweight. Whenever I refresh my hair, it's moisturizing enough to make my curls pop again and be moisturized, but it doesn't weigh my hair down. I still have that body and bounce that I love. It provides up to 12 times more moisture when it's used on wet hair and 8 times more moisture when it's used on dry hair. Definitely helps with detangling. It makes my hair feel very soft. It adds definition. It helps with smoothing textured hair and reducing frizz. This Bond Repair leave-in conditioner is one of my faves. It's so thick, and I just love how it moisturizes my hair and it defines my hair. And I love to use it on my roots throughout the week, like if my hair just has a lot of flyaways and frizz, and it just makes for the perfect refresher. I'm going to finish off my wash day with my hair in these 2 plaits and let them air dry before I go into styling. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll have all the products linked below. Thank you to SheaMoisture for sponsoring this video.